Why does your scanner show the P2134 engine code? What does it mean? P2134 is a diagnostic trouble code for throttle or pedal position sensor or switch F circuit intermittent. The P2134 engine code for indicate the engine control module, ECM, is detecting a loose, erratic, or dropping signal from a specific redundant circuit within the electronic throttle or accelerator pedal assembly. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty accelerator pedal position, damaged wiring or loose connections, defective throttle position sensor, throttle body carbon buildup, faulty ECM or PCM. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Mercedes-Benz, GMC, and Ford. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.